Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on TECLAST T60. Press and hold on your home screen, then wallpaper and style, and here you can click on change wallpaper. You can choose on device wallpapers or my photos. Then you can choose a photo from your gallery. And now you can adjust it. And then click on apply, and you can apply to lock screen or home and lock screens. I'm gonna apply it only to lock screen. And now when I go to my home screen, it is unchanged as it should be. But when I go to my lock screen, this is my new wallpaper. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.